Let's move on and talk about fundamentals. Rahul Sharma is also joining us now. Rahul, what kind of interactions are you having with your HNI and retail clients across the country? Are they now going more on the side because of this big event is approaching? Are they confident to buy the dip? How is the retail and HNI crowd approaching the market right now?
Ajay, first of all, thank you for having me on the show today. First of all, for short term particularly, if Nifty gives closing above 12,025 points on closing basis, then only we would be advising to take a fresh long positions for short term. Similarly, on the downside, Nifty has a strong support at 11,700. Then our advice would be to take fresh short positions for the short term period, as these are very important resistance and support level for Nifty. So market is likely to consolidate between these two ranges. And as far as the HNI and retail sides are concerned, for medium term outlook will be that as we can see spike in infection with the second wave of corona in Europe and similarly in US is also facing the same issue. And lockdown will be imposed again, which will bring negative sentiments in the market. Although in India things are likely better, as recovery rate is increasing and Q2 numbers which are coming are better than expected. So, and also that stimulus package, second stimulus package government is focusing on. So, Ajay, we also know that FIIs are doing really good buying in the market, which is a very good point added to the positive side. But till these elections are not over, we are just advising to be very cautious with the trades and do not make any big commitments within this period of the time.
Okay. Yes, you're right. There was a big 3,500 crore buy number coming in yesterday as well, which was one of the biggest numbers in 5 months, if I'm not wrong. So there is definitely buying coming in on decline. All right, let's talk about your stock picks, which you are recommending to be bought on declines. It's L&T Finance is one stock. What are your targets over there?
Ajay, in L&T, the results came for the company are on the weaker note. But the commentary from the management for upcoming future is very much positive. And secondly, this company is working as #1 NBFC in India for farm equipments and have good focus on rural India. And for this company, it is taking strong measures in dissolving other businesses which are not performing well and shifting its focus to the farm equipment lending side. And also we heard from some sources that company will be wrapping up their mutual fund business and shift their focus to the better earning businesses like lending business. So from this second half of this financial year, company will show good performances. So positional traders can take their positions at current market price with a stop loss of rupees 60 and keeping targets of rupees 85 for next 3 months. Over to Ajay.
All right. And what about Praj? That's also one stock which you like. What's the target there?
For Praj Industries, Ajay, there is from some sources, we got to know that there is a big meeting for ethanol policy, which is lined up for the development of the industry. And this will definitely it will bring big impact for the business, and Praj industry will be really beneficial with these positives of the policies. This will uplift the fundamentals of the company, and the stock was trading in a range from long time, which the higher range was of rupees 80, at which the stock is trading currently. The chart patterns here indicates that these levels will be crossed in short time, and positional traders can make their position at current market price, keeping a stop loss of rupees 74 and targets of rupees 100 in coming 3 months. Over to you, Ajay.
And very quickly, can you tell us about the last pick of yours, which is actually Exide?
Yeah. So Ajay, very quickly, we got numbers from Amaraja and they have posted really good numbers for the company, and we can clearly see good demand coming in auto and auto ancillary sectors, and especially segment like tires and batteries are very much good in terms of replacement market, and this company, Exide Industries, is having the biggest market share in this segment. So on charts, it is looking really good. Positional traders can take their position at current market price with the stop loss of rupees 154 and keeping one targets of rupees 185 in coming 3 months. Over to Ajay.
All right, thanks very much for your time, Rahul. Let's take a short break. On the other side of the break, more news and analysis. Don't go anywhere.